going on, guys? It's Rene Anthony here, Hotshot Trucking and Travel. I got my buddy Phil. He's doing the training program that we offer. If you don't know about the training program, go ahead and comment below. I offer a training program where you come out on the road with us for 21 days, and you'll be able to see everything it is that we do on a daily basis. All right, so I wanted to cover a few things, man. You know, I'm driving, guys, too, so just bear with me here, but I want to go over the trailer types. You know, I've had a lot of questions, and riding with Phil, you know, he's been asking a lot of questions about what type of trailer he should get. I know I push a lot the Millennium trailer with Jeff. Jeff over at Millennium Trailers, he's a good guy. They sell a really strong product. That's what I have right now. I'm towing behind me a 53-foot 3-car enclosed. But I want to specify on the 53-footer, it's not a 3-car until you install ramps. And I'm going to go over a few reasons why. Number one, bless you. Number one, on the 53-footer, you really only have 45 feet. So you have 45 feet after the gooseneck. It has a little area where you can put stuff in. So that area there from the wall back is 45 foot. If you divide that by 3, that gives you only 15 foot a car, which is 180 inches per car. And to be truthful, I mean, there's very few vehicles out there. You have that list, actually, let me see that list. So there's very few vehicles out there that actually have that capability of putting 3 of them in a 45-foot area space. And you gotta remember, 180 inches each vehicle, that would be bumper to bumper. You need at least 2 inches in between each vehicle. At least, I mean, an inch, maybe, I mean, but at least a minimum, in my opinion, 2 inches, you know, which is about like that. 2 inches is 6, so that gives you actually less. So that would be 2 inches off each one, 178 inches each vehicle. So Phil helped me out here. We made a list on what vehicles actually fit that criteria. So I'll give you an example. Toyota Corolla, which everybody knows is a pretty small vehicle, has 184 inches. A Toyota Camry is 193 inches. A Honda Civic is 183 inches. Now, come on, a Honda Civic is a tiny, whiny car, you know? A Honda Accord is 193 inches. A Porsche, the Panamera, is 199 inches. So, a Lambo, the Aventador, is 195 inches. The Bentley 2-door Continental, which is their coupe, convertible, is 191 inches. The Bentley 4-door, which is the Flying Spur, that's 209 inches. The Wraith is 208 inches. The Tesla, the Model 3, which is their smallest model, is 185 inches. The Tesla S model is 196 inches. Okay. Now, there were a couple cars that did fall into that category that we went through. Is a Honda Civic 2-door is 178 inches. A Porsche 911 is 178 inches. And a Lamborghini Gallardo is 173 inches. So, and look, guys, here it goes right here, just in case you wanted to see it. That's exactly what it is right there. There you go. Yeah. So, thank you, Phil. So, out of all those vehicles, I mean, how many, unless you're just going to be shipping the 2-door Civics and the 911 and the Lamborghini Gallardo, if you're shipping only 3 of those every time, then you're good to go, my guys. But I'll be honest with you, man, those are far few in between. You might have 1 of those, but the other 2 are bigger. I mean, you're never going to have 3 of each one of those, or 3. I mean, you might, but very seldom. That is not the norm. And guys, you know, we have to go about the norm out here, right? So the norm is, look at that light. All right. So the norm is your normal cars. You know, you got Corvettes, you got I mean, you know, Honda Accords, you got, I mean, Bentleys, you have Lamborghinis, you have Maseratis. Those are the norm. I mean, all the different cars. So you're not going to fit 3 into the trailer. So the more of that whole thing is, this trailer here is a 53 footer, and they call it a 3 car. But off the lot, it is not a 3 car. You do have to do some modifications to it to fit 3 cars in there, okay? So you're going to have to add ramps to it. Now, the benefits of adding the ramps is it's going to give you, when you pull that car up, it's going to give you space in the back. Then the next car you can pull up, sometimes even get on that ramp as well, and gives you some more space in the back. So I gained anywhere from 3 to 5 feet by putting ramps in. That was more than enough space for me to not really worry too much about length on vehicles. Now, keep in mind, I have 594 inches. That's pretty tight. If I need another 6 inches, I could probably grab it. So at about 600 inches is what I have in my trailer with the ramps, guys. With the ramps. Without the ramps, it was 178 times 3, which is, what is that, Phil? I'll tell you right now, 178 times 3 is 534 inches. So by adding the ramps, I went to additional 60 inches, which is huge, guys. Huge. So keep in mind, when you're out there shopping for your trailers, remember, if you're going to get a 3 car, the ones off the lot, and that's no matter who you buy it from. You know, Jeff makes a great product. Their Millennium trailers, I love their trailer, man. It's really solid and it's good to go. I'm actually in the process of working with Millennium, where we're going to do a joint venture where I build the ramps for him and he sells y'all the trailers. So you could ask Jeff about that at Millennium Trailers, and he'll get back to you, and we'll get to you about how much it costs to build the ramps and all. But I just want you to keep that in mind. And now you might also have the question of, what size trailer should I get? I get a lot of people asking me, should I go with a 1-car trailer? Should I go with a 2-car trailer, 3-car trailer? Well, my answer to that is, if you go with a 1-car trailer, guys, you ain't gonna make no money. Let's be real. I mean, how much money are you gonna make? If you want to make $500 a week, $300 a week, go with the 1-car trailer. You really can't make that much money with a 1-car trailer. You could do the math until your eyes turn purple. But I'm out here every day doing this, and the fact is, with a 1-car trailer, you're not gonna make no money. A 2-car trailer is what I started with. Now, a 2-car trailer is great. It's small, easy to maneuver, easy to get around. You have extra room. You can get a 40-footer, which gives you extra room to be able to fit 2 cars in there comfortably and have some space in between the vehicles. You can even go with like a 48-footer, and it gives you 2 cars and you're able to move around in there. It's really good. The thing with the 2-car is, if you go out for about 21 days with a 2-car hauler, you're only going to make about anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000, and that's net after your expenses. With a 3-car trailer, that 3rd car gives you the ability to make anywhere from $15,000 to $20,000. It depends on the times and the rates. But I would definitely, guys, if I was you, let me turn this light on so y'all can see me back here and help y'all some. Better yet. So with the 2-car trailer, it's a good start, and it'll make you good money, and then you can save up and buy yourself a 3-car trailer, okay? The 1-car is definitely 100% out of the question. The 3-car is what I would go for if you could afford it and have experience. But the experience is key. Driving a 3-car trailer is not as easy as driving a 2-car. There's a lot of areas you can't get into, a lot of parking that's very hard. I'm 73 feet long, so from the front of my truck to the end of my trailer, I'm 73 feet long. You're gonna run into overlength issues, you're gonna run into problems. So think about getting a 2-car if you don't have much experience and you wanna first learn on a 2-car, because you can always upgrade. If you buy a 3-car and you wreck, or you cause an accident, or there's a problem, you know, you've just thrown away a whole bunch of money, okay? So that's my opinion on the 1, 2, or 3. Now, some people say, well, should I get a big semi? Should I get a 6-car Kentucky, an 8-car? Listen, if you can afford a 6-car and 8-car, by all means, buy it. But just remember something, a 6-car and an 8-car semi is different than driving a Hotshot. It's different than driving a 5500 on the road, okay? Totally different. The height is different. Everything about it is a different drive, okay? It's a lot slower. It's not as maneuverable when you get into the cities and the towns and the neighborhoods. So keep that in mind. Yes, my goal is to end up one day getting a Kentucky 8-car, 10-car enclosed, but you know, I'm also going to keep my Hotshot trucks to load that big truck up. It makes everything so much easier. So if you can afford to get a Kentucky and a big truck, then by all means do it. But if I was you to start off, Hotshotting is great. You know, you make good money, it's quick, it's easy, and you're able to go, okay? As far as what brand trailer, like I said, I bought a Millennium. You know, Millennium trailers are good. Jeff over at Millennium, give him a call. Really, really nice guy, man. And they sell a really good product, okay? You know, that's my opinion on it. I put it to work. This trailer has been put through hell, guys. No exaggeration. I've been through mountains, every mountain in the United States. I've been on the highest peaks, the worst downgrades. I've been in mud, I've been in snow. I've put this trailer through hell. I mean, I got a Navigator that weighs, what, 9,000, 8,000 pounds? I got just one car that weighs 8,000 pounds in there. I had a Phantom in there, Rolls Royce Phantom, the Wraith. I had the Navigator and another heavy vehicle. The trailer is amazing. It holds up. It is built solid. It's American built and solid. I know all trailers are built in America, but these guys take pride in that trailer, and it's made very good. Now, I'm not saying anything bad about Sundown or any other trailers out there, but what I've used is this Millennium trailer, and I'm telling you guys, it works great, strong, and I have no complaints about it, okay? None at all. I'm happy with the construction of it, and I'm happy about how it drives. It rides smooth. You know, it's a really well-made trailer, okay? Is there anything that I would like to see them do different? Yeah. I wish they would build the ramps come stock from factory. That would be an awesome feature. But all that comes along with money, and we understand that, you know. But putting the ramps in it is definitely 100%. Windows in it, you know, I put my own windows, which you really, really need them. They come in handy a lot of times. And, you know, I've learned how to do it without my windows, but they're there for emergencies on big vehicles and when I need them. And they do come in handy a lot of times, you know. So, you know, well, that's my take on what trailer, guys, you should get, you know. Hey, I appreciate all y'all watching my channel, man. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it, man. Hotshot Trucking and Travel, man. I'm dedicated to helping anybody out who wants to get into hotshotting. Hotshotting is great, you know. And, man, please, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe at the bottom. You know, and like this video if you like it, and share it with your friends and family. Put it on your Facebooks, put it on your Instagrams, man. Hey, and please go subscribe to my... Follow me on Instagram at Hotshot Trucking and Travel. So that's at Hotshot Trucking and Travel. And you'll see the link right there. Please, guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on there, guys. Support me on there, man. You know, I do my best out here to try to give you the best information possible. And if there's any questions or anything you have, please answer them at the bottom. And, you know, that's my take on the 53-foot trailers and on the on 1, 2, or 3 car trailers. Okay, guys? Again, thanks a lot for following me, man. This is Rene Anthony and Phil. Say hi, Phil. All right, guys. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. Thanks a lot, and thank you for following me on my channel, man. I really appreciate it, guys. Rene Anthony, Hotshot Trucking and Travel, baby. Thanks a lot.